Hello bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says that column 1 and column 2 contains 4 entries each. Entries of column 1 are to be matched with some entries of column 2. One or more than one entries of column 1 may have the matching with the same entries of column 2. So this to be remembered that one or more than one entries of column 1 may have the matching with the same entries of column 2. So there are two columns. In column 1 there are 4 entries and in column 2 there are 4 entries. Now let's solve it. So first, that is AlCl3. Now we have to find out the Venter factor because in column 1 solutes are given with their degree of association or dissociation. Here dissociation, and in column 2 there is Venter factor. So when AlCl3 dissociates, it forms Al3 plus 3Cl minus. That means when AlCl3 dissociates, it forms 4 number of, that is N is 4. After dissociation number of molecules is 4. So now we can put I is equals to the formula of Venter factor is in case of dissociation, because here all are dissociate into form their individual ions. So in case of dissociation the formula of I is 1 plus N minus 1 into alpha. So if we'll put the value of N, that is 4 minus 1 into alpha, so for AlCl3 alpha value is 0.8. So it will be equal to 1 plus 3 multiplied by 0.8. So it will be equal to 1 plus 2.4, which is equals to 3.4. That means value of I in first case is 3.4. So it will match with P. So P match with A or A match with P. Now B. So in case of B, this is BaCl2, which is dissociate to form Ba2 plus 2Cl minus Ba2 plus 2Cl minus, and number of dissociated ions N is 3. So if we put the formula, then it will be equal to 1 plus 3 minus 1 and alpha is given as 0.9. So it will be equal to 1 plus 2 into 0.9, which is equals to 1 plus 1.8, that is 2.8. So option B is matched with Q because the Venter factor value of Venter factor is 2.8. So B matched with Q. Now C. So in C that there is Na3PO4. So it dissociates to form 3Na plus PO4 3 minus. So here number of dissociated ion is 4 and the formula of Venter factor is 1 plus N. So here N is 4. So 4 minus 1 into alpha is 0.9. So it will be equals to 1 plus 3 into 0.9, which will be equals to 1 plus 2.7, that will be equals to 3.7. So in case of Na3PO4, the Venter factor value is 3.7. That means C is matched with 3.7, that is S. So C matched with S. Now D. So here D, that is K4 FeCN whole 6. It is dissociate to form 4K plus FeCN whole 6 minus. So number of dissociated ion is 5. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So if you put the formula of I, so it is 1 plus N, that is 5 minus 1 into 0.7, which will be equal to 1 plus 4 into 0.7, and it is equals to 1 plus 2.8, that is 3.8. So D is matched with R. So now we have all the combinations, like A is matched with P, B matched with Q, C matched with S, and D matched with R. So these are the matched column 1 with column 2. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.